Right, 10% quota. Now, is this something that you think is going to have a major impact to the way scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other voters are going to respond?
Well, Vikram, I think thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak. You know, as a sociologist and as a political scientist, I have also another identity. I'm a researcher. And as a political scientist, as a political social scientist, I feel if you have given 5, very important events which have happened, I think you should talk about that how UP-SP-BSP alliance will be having a greater impact on 2019 election.
I agree, it's a possibility.
I think it's very, very important because it's happening after 25 years that BSP is entering pre-poll alliance. Till now they're having only post-poll alliance, and there are 80 seats for a grab. You are talking about 10 seats only. I think therefore you should also count the 2 backward class leaders, Apna Dal as well as Sukhdev Rajbhar, Suhel Dev Rajbhar party. They are also getting annoyed. There is a big chunk of the Ajit Singh party which is also talking about that. And that there, because of this grand alliance, the most historical party of our country, and that is Congress, is getting marginalized. I think that is a bigger take, that is bigger political take to be discussed at length rather than only discussing 10 seats.
Okay.
And therefore, I think that 80 seats already BJP has lost 3 more northern states. What is going to happen there? So I think therefore this is a more important issue than 10% quota.
Okay, fair enough. Now can I ask you a question? So in this, what is the difference that's going to make? And I want to throw this to Yogendra also. Yogendra, let's just discuss BSP and SP for a minute before we come to the quota. Here's the question. Is there the entire question whether the Congress should be got into it or not is a major question. Just the fact that the Samajwadi Party, the Bahujan Samaj Party have come together could potentially reduce the BJP from 73, if you include the Apna Dal, all the way down to 37, if you just to add up the votes. If the Congress had also been included with their 7.5% across the board seats, BJP could have come down to 24, SP plus BJP, BSP plus Congress could have gone up to 56. Do you think that is something that should have been kept in mind?
I think so. I think so because we have seen already the 3 states where actually they did not have alliance together, but yet if they would have come together, BJP would have been wiped out. So I think, but UP has a very different nature also that we have to understand. It has gone into a split politics that people vote differently in Lok Sabha election and in Uttar Pradesh local elections they vote very differently. I have a doubt that why Congress is not actually harping to get onto the bandwagon because they think that they have still left over from Faizabad to Farrukhabad. There is a belt which supports Congress, and Congress may get an independent, because I know 2009, 2004 and 9 election where Congress got 17% seat and got 21 seats. BSP got 21% votes but got 19 seats. Yeah. So because their votes are consolidated, and that's why I think Congress is not pressurizing that much to BSP and SP.
And we'll have to see whether this can extend that. So, Yogendra, let's just look at Uttar Pradesh for a minute. Obviously, the logic of the SP